Now we will see Class 12 Macroeconomics, Chapter 11 Foreign Exchange Rate, revision of key points. Foreign exchange referred to all currencies other than the domestic currency of a given country. Foreign exchange rate refers to the rate at which one currency is exchanged for the other. Currency depreciation refers to decrease in the value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. Currency depreciation, now currency appreciation. Currency appreciations refer to increase in the value of domestic currency in terms of foreign currency. Fixed exchange rate system refers to the system in which the rate of exchange for a currency is fixed by the government. Devaluation refers to the reduction in the price of domestic currency in terms of all foreign currencies under fixed exchange rate regime. Revaluations refer to rise in price of domestic currency in terms of all foreign currencies under fixed exchange rate regime. Flexible exchange rate system refer to a system in which the rate of exchange is determined by the forces of demand and supply of different currencies in the foreign exchange market. Managed floating rate system refers to a system in which foreign exchange rate is determined by market forces and central bank is a key participant to stabilize the value of currency in case of extreme appreciation or depreciation. Reasons for demand or outflow of foreign exchange. 1. Imports of goods and services. 2. Tourism. 3. Unilateral transfers sent abroad. 4. Purchase of assets in foreign countries. 5. Speculation. Reasons for supply or inflow of foreign exchange. 1. Exports of goods and services. 2. Foreign investment. 3. Remittance. Unilateral transfers from abroad. 4. Speculation. Equilibrium exchange rate is determined at a level where demand for foreign exchange is equal to the supply of foreign exchange. Foreign exchange market is the market in which foreign currencies are bought and sold. Functions of foreign exchange market. 1. Transfer function. 2. Credit function. 3. Hedging function. Spot markets refer to the market in which the receipts and the payments are made immediately. Forward market refers to the market in which sale and purchase of the foreign currency is settled on a specified future date at a rate agreed upon today. Thank you. All the best.